Today we're going to be doing sink or float experiment. For this experiment, we will be needing a tub and put some water all the way until it's to the half. So now I'm going to tell you the things that I will need. A cola, some scissors, apple, a pencil, a battery, a spoon, a keychain, some wood, like a toy wood, or anything wood, and a key. So last thing we will need is a paper that has all of the objects you have. These are all my objects. And then when you're done the experiment, you'll be using this. So here we're gonna be putting the things that will be sinking, and here we're gonna be putting the things that will be floating. Are you ready? Let's start. So the first thing on our paper is a keychain. So I think it would sink. Let's see. Let's put it in the water. Oh, it sank. I guessed it right. The next on my list is the apple. So I think it would sink too because it's really heavy. Now I'm gonna put the apple. Let's see if it'll sink or float. Oh, it floated. I guessed it wrong.
Oh no!
It turned out I did it wrong. I don't know why. I thought it would sink because it was so heavy. Put it here. Okay. So now I'm gonna be doing the battery. What can it be? Sink or float? I normally always say sink, but I am gonna say sink now. So let me extend the sink. Let's see if it will sink or float. I hope it will sink. I did it correct. So now is the spoon. Okay. I think it would float because it normally should float. I don't know if it will float. Let's see now. Are you ready, guys? Let's see. Oh no! I did it wrong again. Now I got two things wrong. Oh no! I thought it couldn't have sink, but it did float. Cola can. I think it would sink because it's heavy. So, I'm gonna fix on the sink. And let's see. I totally think it will sink. Let's see. Ready? It's gonna do a big one.
Uh-oh!
So, it floated, I think. Okay, it floated. So, I guess that's wrong again. It's the third time. Now on my list is wood. So, what do you think? Could it sink or float? I really want to do it correct. Would it sink, guys? Tell me please. I really think it would sink. So let's try it out. So I'm gonna do X on the sink. I hope it could because I really think it would sink. Ready, guys? on my list is a key. It would sink. Oh, of course I know it would sink. Let's find out. I know it would sink. Let's see. I got the correct one. Look guys, look down here. It sinked. So I did it correct this time. Now is a pencil to put in the water. Will it sink or will it float? I say it would float. So let's see. I hope it would float because I survived. It floated. I did it correct, guys. If you did it correct too, good job. Next is a ball. I think it will float. And it's on the float. So let's find out. Will it sink or will it float? It floated just like I said. I knew it would float. We're almost done. All of our things. Our last thing is scissors. Would it sink or would it float? I think it would sink. Sink or float, guys. I think it would sink. So it will sink. It's our last thing. Let's see. I knew it. Hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!